Hey guys, I just wanted to make a short video about this cool little accessory that I make for the original Tamiya Lunchbox. These are body mount risers, and they fit under the original body mount just like this. And they go between the body mount and the chassis. So what that does is it lifts the body up a little bit, and the screw goes down through the middle just like that. You might need a longer screw. The cool thing about this kit is it comes with 4 1/8" spacers, 4 1/4" spacers for an 1/8" or a 1/4" lift. And if you need a higher lift than that, you can stack the 1/4 and the 1/8 together for a 3/8" lift, and you'll definitely need longer screws for that, but it all stacks together just the same. Just like that. I would appreciate it if you guys liked this video, and please subscribe to my channel. That's the best way to stay up to date for the videos that I make. I do release a video at least once every week, but usually more like 2 or 3 videos every week. So thank you very much for watching.